what is the problem are you trying to solve. Continuously evolve the emerging technology and latest tool to see what can benefit the audit. Think about what would make your audit easier or better, how you will measure return on the investment. So make it easy, reduce time, that's the main thing. So we want to reduce the error, increase our efficiency, and how much we invest, how we return back. Main thing. Which technology can help you? There are a number of tools available for and many vendor startups using data acquisition, manipulation or visualization tools. Consider how comfortable this solution will integrate into your business process and flag any potential implication issues early on. So main three things you are going to use for data acquisition. Takes as a mock data. Second, data manipulation. You're doing some changes in it. Data visualization. You're presenting the data. So data acquisition, you want to scrap data from organization, from website, from Excel, spreadsheets. Data manipulation. Whatever the data you require, you mix it with the format what you require. Data visualization, you just showing in a form like PPTs, power charts, PI. All these things are used to get a visualization. So these are three things you are focused on. So how will you upskill your people to make best use of technology? How can you upskill people? Technology is only as good as people using it. Yeah, without people using it, there's no use. Training and developments are crucial to ensure teams understand how and why they are using technology. We can introduce any technology to people unless and until they know about technology, where they can use it, they won't study it. Relentancy to change is obvious, however continuous training helps them to better. So relentancy means, I think it's like change is difficult. Change is unwilling to change something else. So relentancy is more difficult, but we can train them, ask them to apply, they will change. So this is the thing. If they you want to train someone, you should know why they need to train them. And the reason behind it, you see, it will work. Range of automated solution. There is a range of automated solution from low to high sophistication. It helps standardize and repeated tasks and optimize the effort, resulting to do better. Some of the techniques are using robotics and automation for data gathering activities, use data analysis for planning and budgeting and reporting on dashboards. So there are many things for using this. You will see step by step. Macros and script, you can see in the Excel. Simple task, we can use macro codes to. So rule-based automation within specific application. Only Excel we can use, or some we can use more. Business process automation, re-engineering existing business process. Example, workflow. Business process automation is like one person does the work, other person to authorize it, one person doing the work, other person to recheck it. Such a kind of automation which can be done in the system. If you upload a work, that work has been uploaded, manager can see a notification comes out, and he will automatically. People not required to go manually and said, manager, I have done the work. Manager will get a notification, the work has been uploaded. That's the thing. Robotic process automation, labor intensive, repetitive activities across multiple system and interfaces. What happens? You get a report every month, Excel, for GST filing. That report is in one form. You standardize that report and go through it, and you come up with a solution using your Excel, Power BI to convert every data, Excel file or some file to reportable format. You convert that, you look about some compress it, all kind of things you do. So when you're able to do that every year, every day, every month, whenever client uses data, you upload the GST report will generate. Such a way comes, it's good, no? That's the way you're doing. Robotic process automation. Intelligent process automation. Combining robotic process automation and artificial intelligence technology to identify patterns, learn over time, and optimize workflow. So the intelligent process automation is like robotic, same thing you're going to do, same time. It is going into artificial intelligence, that is, you're going to predict the future, or you're going to see what are the, if example there has been correction has been you have to do every year. When you upload the data, the changes need to be done manually. So now you can code in a way that will tell the system that this is the error. If this error comes out in the future, you can change to this way. If you code such way and the system do automatically that, if automatically able to do that, that is artificial intelligence. these are the things we have seen.